In this video, I'll explain why is my Zelle payment pending. By the way, if you run a business, Zelle probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. A Zelle payment may show as pending if the recipient hasn't enrolled with Zelle using the email address or phone number you sent the money to. Until they complete enrollment, the payment will remain pending. It can also happen if there are security reviews in progress, incorrect recipient details, or temporary bank processing delays. To fix this, confirm that the recipient is enrolled with the correct contact information, double-check the details you entered, and wait for your bank to finish processing. If the payment stays pending for too long, contact your bank's customer support directly for further assistance. Zelle is decent, but personally I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Zelle offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review, covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.